To harness youth and ensure their health and well-being, Condom Alliance, a shared value collective of condom market players and other stakeholders to improve the well-being of young people in India, launched India's first ever condomology report. Condomology stands for Consumer Condom Psychology and aptly describes the context and focus of the report that offers an understanding the consumer psychology and attitude towards the use of condoms while demystifying the misconception and other barriers to using. A nation with 50% of the people under the age of 24 and 65% below the age of 35 years of age, 78% of the young male between the age of 20 to 24 did not use contraceptive with their last sexual partner, according to the National Family Health Survey 4, indicating the need to urgently address an imminent crisis in reproductive and sexual health, and increasing the number of unplanned pregnancies, unsafe abortions, and the rise in the number of STIs serve as a significant barrier to achieve the nation's goal of sustainable development for the youth. The report attempts to address some critical questions. Why are we low on condom usage? Where does India stand with regard to global condom usage? Only 7% of the young women and 27% of the young men have ever used condoms in premarital sex. Only 3% and 13% respectively always use a condom. India ranks third highest in the number of HIV cases according to the United Nations. Condom market has only witnessed a 2% CAGR in volume in the past few years, despite of the campaigns led by the government bodies and other institutions to encourage the use of contraceptives. Globally, the number of women relying on male condoms increased from 64 million to 189 million from 1994 to 2019. Unlike the rest of the world, condom usage remains extremely low at 5.6% based on the NFHS 4. From the implementations of recently launched adolescents education program in its true spirit of sensitizing chemists for smoother purchase transaction to removing broadcast restrictions on condom advertisement. There is an urgent need to galvanize support and take steps as a society to address the psychological and social barriers that prevent our youth from making the right choice of using condoms. As a race, we have certainly realized the importance of making healthier choices. There can be no better time than this to review the address barriers that prevent our youth from making the same healthier choices when it comes to sexual and reproductive health. The report is a step in that direction. It aims to initiate necessary conversations and decisions among the key stakeholders and bring this conversation about safe sex contraceptives in the mainstream society.
That's it for this video. Stay tuned with us. Do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, stay healthy, stay indoors.